What is Docker?
Docker is a tool that lets you package software into containers. These containers hold everything your application needs to run, including code, libraries, and settings. This makes it easy to run software on any computer, no matter the operating system or configuration. Docker is popular because it simplifies software deployment and ensures consistent behavior across different environments.
Setting up Docker.
Before you can run a container, you need to install Docker on your computer. Docker Desktop is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Download the installer from the official Docker website, follow the setup instructions, and start Docker once the installation is complete. You're now ready to run your first container.
Running the Hello World container.
To run your first container, open a terminal or command prompt and type docker run hello world. Docker will automatically download a small image that prints hello from Docker. This confirms that Docker is installed correctly and can run containers on your system.
What happens behind the scenes?
When you run the Hello World container, Docker checks if the image is on your system. If not, it downloads it from Docker Hub, then creates and runs a new container from that image. The container executes the code to print a greeting message, demonstrating how Docker delivers and runs software in an isolated environment.
Next steps with Docker.
Now that you've run your first container, you can explore more Docker features. Try running different images, creating your own container using a Docker file, or learning about volumes, networks, and orchestration. This simple Hello World example is just the beginning of what Docker makes possible for developers and teams.